Hey buddy, in this video we are going to see how can we use an AI tool to write emails for our email campaigns. So let's start. Okay, so now I am in my browser where we do all kind of magical stuffs, and the tool we are going to use today to create email copies for our email campaigns is WordHero. So let's log in first. Cool. So now we are in WordHero's dashboard. So let's create our email copies first. To create email copies, we have to find email templates. To find email templates, just go to search bar and search for email. And here you can see we have 4 email templates inbuilt. First one is for welcome emails, second for generic emails, for to create email subject lines as well, and fourth one is for cold emails. As in this video our target is not to write cold emails, so firstly let's write some welcome email sequences. To write welcome emails, just click here, and to write an email it just asks us some basic details about the business name for which we want to write the email, about the short description of the product for which we want to write, and the target recipient like whether we want to write for new customers, for new subscribers, or for new trial users. So firstly let's write for new customers, or firstly let's write for new subscribers because they are the one who are going to see the welcome sequences. So let's select here new subscriber. Now to write business name, I'm just going to take an example. There is a brand named Rage Coffee. So let's write some email campaigns for them. Okay, so let's select a product for which we want to write, or let's write for Rage Coffee. So as they asked, firstly they need a business name, so let's give them a business name, coffee. Let's find out a short description about the product. Here you can see they have a short description, so let's just copy this and paste it here. Okay, so we have our short description. Now let's click here, write for me, and let's see what it writes for us. So okay, so it is loading up. You can see the blue line here. Okay, so it has given us 2 email sequences or 2 email copies. So let's see the first one. Welcome to Rage Coffee. We are a fearless, original and revolutionary coffee company serving delicious and healthy products. Our coffee is 100% plant-based and we are committed. Thank you for joining us, our community, and we look forward to serving you. Okay, it looks good. Let's read the second one. Welcome to Rage Coffee. We are a fearless and original and revolutionary company that serves delicious and healthy products. Our coffee is plant-based and 100% organic. We believe in making a difference in a world, one coffee at a time. Oh, it looks better. Okay, so let's save this in our doc. By the way, to create a new doc, you can just type docs.new. It's a shortcut. Okay, so we have our first email, welcome email. So email for new subscribers. After having the copy, we can change it as per our requirement or as per the brand's voice as well, but it gives us a good base to start on. Let's write something more. Now what if I want to write for a new customer or a new trial user? Firstly let's try a new customer. Let's see what it writes for us. Okay, so welcome to the Rage Coffee community. We are glad you are here. We offer delicious and healthy coffee products that are plant-based. Our coffee is fearless, original and revolutionary. We help you enjoy it. Thanks for being here. Call to action. Try our coffee today. Okay, it has given us call to action as well. Welcome to Rage Coffee. Our mission is to provide delicious and healthy coffee products that are 100% plant-based. We hope you enjoy our coffee as much as we do. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach us out. Thanks. Okay, both look good. We can just copy and paste them here. welcome email for new, sorry I forgot, for new customers. Okay, so we have our new email here. Thanks for being here. And as you can see, when it gives us multiple copies, we can use the best from this one and best from this one and merge to create our own version as well. For example, it has given us a call to action. We can use it in this one. So just paste it here and just use this call to action. Thanks for being here. Just call to action. Try out our coffee today. Okay, just remove this one. We can just use this, and then the signature. Okay, so it is giving us a decent email for welcome sequences. But what if we want to write emails other than welcome sequences? For example, what if I want to write a sales email to sell a product, a particular product? Then let's see how can WordHero help us. Okay, so let's close this window to create some different kind of emails apart from welcome emails only. So let's close this and try out this email template, generic emails. Now we are in generic emails template. To write emails for us, it asks for two things. First one is recipient, for whom we want to write the email, and second is short description. So what our email is about. Okay, so let's do a quick experiment. Let's find out a product we want to sell and for which we want to write some email. Okay, so let's go for shop and let's go for ground coffee. Now I'm just trying to find a short description about a product so that I can just add it into my email template. Instant coffee, you will fall in love in no. We should find something. Cool, let's try this one. Maybe it can help us. Just copy this out. Okay, so let's give a short description. I want to sell my ground coffee, sell my product, ground coffee, in this email. Here is what my product is about. Let's try to give it as much info as we can. All natural. Okay, we cannot feed everything into it, so where we okay, so let's try to remove something, my product. So let's short it out. My product description, my product description. Let's see if we can fit everything. Okay, still we cannot, but still let's see what it can write for us. Recipient. Okay, so recipient can be professionals who love coffee. Okay, so now let's click write for me and let's hope for the best. So AI is writing for us. Okay, so here it has written us two samples for us. The first one is, do you love coffee? I have a perfect product for you. Ground coffee is all natural and contains 275 mg of vitamins in every 3.2 grams tube shot. This product is perfect for those who want to get their daily dose of vitamins in a delicious way. Wow, I like it. Second one is, hi, we would like to offer you our new product, ground coffee. It's all natural and contains 275 mg of vitamins. We hope you enjoy it. No, I like first one. Okay, so let's save this here as well. Product sales email, copy. Let's write copy first. Then we can just use hey name, do you love coffee? I have a perfect product for you. Then we can use some CTAs, call to actions, and then signatures. Okay, so it has written us a pretty decent email for us. We can, if we want to add, we can add other things as well, but it has given us a good base to start with. At least till now we have used WordHero's templates to write some decent and interesting emails for us. But not only templates, WordHero has something more interesting where we can write some more copies even more freely. So let me show you. Here you can see editor option. So I'm just going into editor. You can imagine WordHero's editor as the combination of Google Doc plus an AI writing assistant to write more interesting email copies, marketing copies, and even long form blog posts for you. In editor, in the left section, you get many writing tools to write whatever as per your requirements. For example, you get AIDA copywriting formula, blog conclusions, blog headlines, blog intros. There are tons of tools out there. For example, you can see Facebook ads, different copywriting formulas as well, like FAB, features, advantage, benefits. Explain it to a child, where you can just put something complex and it will just throw out something the same thing in easy language as well, like Google ads, grammar corrector, lead magnets. You can write whatever you want. So let's try this out. Let's try to write a product email using editor now. So let's again go to this website and find a new product, whole beans. Let's try to sell whole beans using an AI writer with emails. Okay, so I'm just trying to again find some small description about the product. Okay, here I have some description about the product. Cool. So I'm just copying this and trying to use a writing tool to write email for me. So let's use this one, AIDA copywriting formula. So just copy this one. It again asks for two things. First one is it asks for product name, and second is short description about the product we want to sell. Okay, so I'm just pasting my product description. Okay, it has some word limitations still. Let's remove this. And product name. Okay, so the product name was whole beans. Just click on write for me. Cool, it has given me 3 variations. Let's try to find which variation is the best for us. Beans and what is grind them yourself. Whole beans are always fresh. No. Use the best beans roasted. Enjoy the perfect cup. No bitterness. Buy our whole beans now because shop now. Okay, let's try this one. Let's paste it here and remove these things. Okay, so it is a call to action. So it just write call to action for us. Okay, so let's remove this. Cool, we have some base now. Let's see how we can further improve this. So hi name, we use only the best beans roasted to perfection for a full bodied and flavorful cup of coffee. Enjoy the perfect coffee with no bitterness or acidity. Buy our whole beans. Okay, great. Now let me show you another interesting thing in editor. Here you can see the pencil. Pencil just helps you to write more with AI. Let's use this. For example, let's see, I want to write more. What I have to do is I just have to place my cursor here and just click the pencil, and it will throw more words for me. If I like the word, I can use this. If I don't like, we can just remove them as well. So here you can see a great blend of medium and dark roast. Okay, so we use only best beans roasted to perfection for a full bodied, a great blend of meat and dark roast. Enjoy the perfect coffee with no bitterness or acidity. Let's see if we can write more for us here. So I have placed my cursor here and let's click here. Okay, I think we can use this no acidity, sorry, and we roast all our beans in small batches to ensure freshness and top quality. Enjoy. Okay, it is great. Buy our whole beans now because we are offering free shipping. Let's see if we can get more with AI. Now here you can see it didn't provide us anything. Why? Because the sentence is complete in itself. Because what can you add after that? Like buy our whole beans now because we are offering free shipping. The sentence is already complete. AI works best for you when you have a great context plus an open ground to add some more sentences. In the first sentence, it was successful to add more sentences after that because we just provided our product's description. So it has an open area to add more sentences over it. So if the sentence is close in itself, it cannot add more to it. But if you just provide it open-ended sentences, it can be super helpful for you to write more sentences for you. Cool. We again got a decent email copy using WordHero's editor. Now both with WordHero's editor and WordHero's templates, you get an armory of tools to write unlimited marketing copies and blog posts for you. Now why I said unlimited? Because in all its plan, WordHero is providing unlimited words to you. Let me show you. If I go to WordHero's pricing, its premium plan comes with $49 per month, where you can generate unlimited content. You have access to all those tools which I just showed you. You get access to long form editor as well. You can write in 108 languages, 24/7 support. And the best thing is you get locked to this price range only. Means even if they increase their pricings in the future, you will get access to all these tools in the same pricing forever. Also, if you don't want to pay monthly to WordHero, right now there is a lifetime deal going on Appsumo, where you can get access to WordHero for lifetime with one-time payment of $89 only. So with one-time payment of $89 only on Appsumo, you get access to WordHero's unlimited copy plan forever. But here is a caveat. The caveat is with $89 payment, you get access to these templates only and you can write unlimited words forever, but you don't get access to editor. Hence, if you are a blog writer or long form article writer, then you may face difficulty without editor. But if you are a copywriter, then all these templates are more than enough for you to write all email copies, marketing copies, social media campaigns, whatever you want. And in case you want editors access for lifetime as well, then you can purchase one more code on Appsumo as well for $89. So totally in, let's say 89 into 2, sorry, 89 into 2, in $178 you get access to WordHero's both editor and both templates for lifetime, where you can write unlimited words. But if you don't want to pay one-time payment of 178, then you can go for monthly plan as well. Monthly plan is cheaper, $49 per month. The only downside here is you just have to keep paying $49 each month to WordHero to keep accessing everything. So choose as per your requirements. I have given links to both WordHero and Appsumo's lifetime deal in the description for you. So that's all for today's video from my end, guys. I hope this video will help you to write more interesting marketing copies using AI tools. So see you in the next video with more interesting digital marketing ideas and tools. Bye bye.